we had received several complaints, and mostly they were from the senior citizens, that people are using these modified silencers आणि तो मोठा आवाज करता आणि they are disturbing the peace and even their health. So acting on their complaints and under guidance of our SP Traffic Silva sir and DYSP Traffic South Shirvekar sir, आम्ही वो ड्राइव लॉन्च केलो आणि we have seized more than 40 motorcycles, out of which maximum are bullet for using these modified silencers. And all these cases will be sending to the court for prosecution. So we will be continuing this drive, and through your medium I want to tell all the bullet riders की जर तुम्ही silencers change केला जाल्यार I'm giving you time, you get your original silencers fitted, otherwise you face this prosecution in the court.